How to deactivate Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Under Settings, you need to go with the Account Center. Under Account Center, you need to go with Personal Details and tap on Account Ownership and Control. And tap on the second option, which is Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook, select Delete Account, tap on Continue, select a reason why you would like to delete your account and tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Continue. This is the last step. You need to enter your password of your Facebook. But if you don't remember your password, you can go with Forgot Password and then you can reset or recover your password. Once you reset or recover, then you can enter your password and then go with Continue, which is on the middle of your screen, and your account will be deactivated. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.